These are some of the kittens available for adoption at the Rifle Animal Shelter. This orange guy here is Milo. That's Petunia. This tortoiseshell here is Cleo. This is Diego. Diego kind of has a little heart shape on his side. It's not this side, it's his other side. This is Dora. Dora's a little calico. Up over there in the window is Gobi. And the guy playing with the camera strap here is Scooter. But they are very playful. They are doing great in their foster home. They're probably going to be kind of scared when they get to your home. They're not around a lot of people right now, but they will be great as soon as they aren't scared anymore. But they are looking for a home. Very, very cute. So pick out a couple of these little guys and give them a home.